Hello Sylvia.
Hello.
What kind of ringtone do you have in your mobile phone?
My ringtone is planetarian.
Okay, can you play it for us, please?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let's go.
Gone again. Wait. So, just 1 second.
Yeah.
It's right here.
Okay. Wow, sounds good.
Nice, huh?
Yeah. How did you get it?
Oh, it's in there. You know,
In
I
phone.
just had to buy the phone and
Yeah.
it was right there.
Okay. Why did you choose the sound as a ringtone?
Oh, because first of all, it was the nicest one, and then it's so, understatement.
Yeah.
It's so quiet, but still loud enough, and so electro. I really love it.
So you love electro music.
Yes.
Okay, and you feel great when you listen to this ringtone, this sound.
Yeah, totally. This is why I can't wait for getting some telephone calls.
When someone calls you, you are ready. And yes.
I'm waiting always a little bit, to pick up.
Okay, thanks a lot for interview.
You're welcome.
Bye, have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
Thanks.